Hi, I'm Punsha. I have created a mini project about internet is centralized on Etherbus, which is first now I have created a mini project folder. After that I have created a network folder and I have typed the coding inside it. Then I was checking the coding. On this coding I have added 8 hoses, which is 8 hoses connected to that Etherbus, which is one hub and one switch externally. And one more thing, I have set the delay also, which is the delay was 0.5 second, and the data rate is 100 Mbps for each and hoses. After this, I have created a new net I have created a omnet folder for this, and I have browsed in and put the network folder inside the folder. After that I click the next and finish it. A folder for omnet is opened, and after that I type the coding and I run it. On this coding I have set 8 hoses, which is host 2 to host 8 is set, their destination address is host 1. For host 1 I have set destination address host 2 for it, so it would be easy. And the delays and the seconds I have set 0.5 second for it, each host's interval, like sending interval for it. It's like host 1 will send to host 2 and host 1 will send back to switch and hub, and the switch and hub will transfer the data to their respective hosts, which is they have connected to 3 hosts. These are the connection that has been done between the 8 hosts, which is connected with switch, hub and Etherbus. 2 hosts only connected directly to Etherbus, which is host 1 and host 2. Etherbus is the main thing in the middle, which is connected to switch and hub 2, which is switch is holding 3 hosts, which is host 8, host 7 and host 6. Hub is holding 4 and 5, 6 hosts, which is 3 hosts, balance hosts inside it. After checking all my codings, I have clicked the run button to run all the thing. It's running right now. That's all for today. After running this thing, how the data is sent to each hosts and switch and hub and Etherbus and host 1, host 2, it shows, and the thing down there will be showing how much is the rate of it, how much of data is transferring. Thank you. That's all for today.